Now there are various shortcuts that you can learn. I'm going to hit the T key. That will trigger just the opacity transform control. Now one of the key things you will learn in After Effects is about this little stopwatch. This stopwatch allows you to apply effects over time. It will add in keyframes, moments in time when something can change. Now at the moment my type is set to 100% opacity all the way along the timeline. If I decide I want to actually make my type appear, what I can do, I can pick a point in the timeline where I want my text to be visible. In this case, I'd like it to be visible at 2 seconds. I can then click the stopwatch. This will add a keyframe, telling the text to be 100% visible. I'm going to click the little stopwatch. That will add in a keyframe at the CIT. I'm going to move the CIT back to the very beginning, and I'm going to change the opacity simply by scrubbing down to 0. So my type is no longer visible at the very beginning. If I hit spacebar and play, my type will appear. Now we could do a similar thing at the other end. We can have our text actually fade out. So I can pick a point. I'm going to change the setting. Now here at the moment, I'm at 100%. I want to keep that setting. I have the option to add in keyframes at any point using this little diamond. If I then move my CTI to the very end of the clip, change the opacity to 0, I now have animated my title to fade in and fade out. This in a nutshell is the key to understanding and learning After Effects, knowing when to apply controls using your keyframes.